Hello, everyone. Today is the start of a short series of videos about lending. And I'm here today with Jason Walton, and I'm going to let him introduce a guest he has with him. He's at a lending conference. You guys, what's the number one question that you're having? And tell us what we can expect from the market.
Sure. Yeah. Hey, Sarah. Thanks for having us. We're in Michigan right now. I'm at a conference at UWM, learning about their products and their processes, just how they can streamline stuff. So what I have with me today is a senior accounting executive. It's Dustin Singleton. So I appreciate you having us.
Thanks, guys.
Or being on the video. So yeah. So the question about interest rates, we talked briefly last week about it. So interest rates, of course, the higher the rate, the less someone has on buying power. Dustin, you had mentioned earlier today in a discussion about how impactful that is with rates. But however, could you repeat again about the
Yes.
buying and
Yes, absolutely. So, talking about interest rates, we know they've been very volatile. And there's really no way to predict, right, what's going to happen. But at the same time, it doesn't matter if your rates are 7%, 6%, 5%, you're paying 100% interest on your rental payment. So it's
So
all
true.
about affordability and what you can afford as a borrower. We always talk about what's the interest rate on your car. No one knows, but everyone knows the monthly payment that they're making on their car because that's what you can afford. It's the same thing with interest rates, right? If you can afford $1,200, $3,000, $5,000 a month in mortgage, that's great. If you found your dream home, purchased a home, that's what you can afford. And when rates do eventually drop in the next several months, you'll be able to refinance to something better.
right? That's a good point. And then something else that we can offer. We have this product that is buy now, refi later. And so between now and the end of the year, so December 31, if you purchase a home, if you're good on your payments for 12 months, and then we will waive the administrative fees for a refinance. So looking at the market, and when the feds meet, we look at everything. We look at everything quarterly. Actually, we're looking at it daily. When the feds meet and they're having discussions about inflation and how do we need to adjust that to help control things. We're hoping the rates are better tomorrow.
Yeah, it's a market.
Absolutely tomorrow. But we don't, first of all, we don't know. So knowing that you can buy now and then refi later, we'll waive those fees. It's definitely a good product now to get into.
Absolutely. Okay. Well, and that's some great information for our home buyers. And now is not as competitive in the market. So now's a great time to get into that house, knowing that you can refinance later, knowing that there are great products out like what you guys are offering here, waiving your fees, not the third party fees, but still it makes it less expensive to refi. And if rates come down, which you say you believe they will, then you would have the opportunity to refinance at that lower rate later. Good points that 100% of your payment to a rental is interest. That's 100% interest. You're paying someone else's mortgage. So yes, we encourage home ownership because you're building wealth and you are paying your own mortgage. You guys, thanks so much for taking time out of your day today. You have a great rest of your day and learn lots.
Thanks, Sarah.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.